We're going to change the capacitor on a GEN2000. First, there's 4 bolts that hold it on. Take this down. Then you disconnect these 2 wires, black wires, just like so. Then you want to turn this, get to the back of it. Take these 2 bolts out. Take the cap off. Then you want to and then take the plug out. Like that. Take the ground off. And you take the black and gray off resistor. I just removed the panel. Now I'm going to take the screws out of the back panel. You got 5 of them, or actually there's 4. Take them out. Then you want to take the screw out of the capacitor. This is your capacitor. There's a nut on the other side that you got to hold. Take that out. Then you want to get a small screwdriver. I don't know if you can see them tabs in there right here. There's 2 tabs. 1 tab, you just push it over and push that down. Like so. You pull them out. I usually mark this one. I'll mark one of them. Like so. You pull them out. And you just pull them through here. There you go. Now we're going to put the capacitor back in. Take your screw you took out of there, put it through there, put it through the cover. You got a nut and you got a washer. Can you see that? There's a nut. The screw's coming through and you just tighten on there, like so. Get your Phillips. You want to hold this nut so it'll tighten up, like so. Okay, then you take your wires, you run them through here, through the harness. Like so, and pull them through. Like that. And then you want to take these little tabs and turn them up so it'll catch when you pop them in. There's 2 tabs on there. Just push them up a little bit. And then you want to get the black wire that you marked there. Push it in. Make sure it locks. Push this one in. Make sure it locks. And that's it. Okay, now I'm going to put the cover back on. The back cover. It's the one you took the 4 screws out of. So, Tighten them up. Now we're going to put the panel back on. Make sure you plug in this wire here, black wire. It goes in there. The other black wire goes to the black wire. I got to put this one on first. Plug this in. Like so. Put this wire in the back. Put your panel on there like that. Get your 4 bolts and nuts that you took off. Like so. I'm going to start the nuts on the back. Got 4 of them. Okay. We're going to tighten them up. Yep. Spin this. Get your ground wire back on. Goes right there. Tighten it up. Then you want to put the gray on top, the black on the bottom. Like that. Take your plug, connect it, slide your little boot in the housing, take your end cap, set it on there, and you want to start your bolts. Like so, and then snug them up, and that's it on the capacitor.